officers assigned to Topanga Division responded to a radio call of an assault with a deadly weapon suspect at a motel on the 20,100 block of Van Owen Street.
LAPD, just want to make sure you're okay.
Police department, can you please open the door and talk to us? You called me. Listen. Open it. We're gonna open the door. Yes, we are.
You know you crazy and this is not acting. You're going to fucking hell.
We're gonna tase you if you try to fight us.
Listen, open
Are
the
you
door now.
fucking stupid?
Back up now so nobody gets hurt. Do it now.
No! Because you're not cops, bitch!
Back up.
You're not forcing me to shoot, Brennan.
Back up.
Trump, get
You're gonna
smart
get
with you
tased.
stupid bitches.
See the laser? We're gonna tase you.
Back up. Handgun on the floor. Back up. Over here, my side. Show me your hands. Show me your hands right now. Back up.
Trump, get
You're gonna
smart
get
with you
tased.
stupid bitches.
See the laser? We're gonna tase you.
These two are hands off. Benji, your taser. Ready? I'm lethal. You guys are hands on. Move. Push her up against the wall. Push her in. Push her in. Don't move. Don't move. Just give me your hands.
I'm not doing anything.
Give me your hands.
Hey, how about you? What are you doing?
Toss some blood, guys.
You're scaring me.
Blood.
You're scaring me.
Give me your hands.
Ow! Oh no, this is awful, American. There's something.
Grab mine. Grab mine. It's okay. We got time. Okay.
Loaded .357 caliber handgun at scene and booked it as evidence.